Hi, my name's Eric Klingen, and I've owned and operated this studio here since 1985. I originally came to the area to work for the National Trust for Historic Preservation, and we worked on all sorts of historic properties. In fact, we built a reproduction oak timber frame bridge 200 feet long, piece by piece in here, and installed it on the Pecanico River, and it's there to this day. But since that time, I've stayed here, and I've worked on literally thousands of antique pieces of furniture, and I thought I could show you a few of the projects that are in the studio right now. I'm putting the finishing touches right now on a late 19th century shaker chair. What's interesting about this design is that it comes towards the ends of the shaker chair making era that they had, and it was inspired in the late 1870s by the work of Thonet, who was in France. And what they did is they took his design ideas and created their own special version, which includes elements from the old world and also the very peculiar shaker aesthetic of clean and simple lines. So it's much less ornate than the original Thonet design. And just like many other shaker chairs, it was designed so that it could hang up on the wall and be out of the way while they cleaned their living spaces. So it's a nice late example of shaker workmanship. This is a real nice example of a early to mid 19th century Empire-style secretary desk. And it's made out of a beautiful flame grain mahogany that was designed to really glow with the addition of traditional French polish finish. So after I did the repair work to the structural problems and the veneer, I'm now doing just a final French polishing to bring out that beautiful grain. And it's very appropriate for this period piece to have this kind of finish on it, and nothing else really is as beautiful. This is a Hudson Valley Dutch Kaas. It was probably made within 40 miles of here, somewhere around 1780. I'm going to reapply this molding with a traditional animal hide glue. This is the type of glue that was used on furniture making for hundreds of years until we developed modern glues. So it's the right type of glue to use for this, and it is reversible. Get that in there. And it actually is very nice and sticky, which is an added bonus. I hope you enjoyed this little talk, and if you're ever in Tarrytown, please drop in my studio. You can also go to tarrytownwoodworks.com to even learn more about what I do, and please feel free to contact me about your furniture.